Hey guys, this is Kevin for Featurettes.com. In this video, we are going to be working with colors and tints and shades inside of Gimp. Now, if you're interested in working with colors inside of Gimp, I've got a couple of other videos that have to do with creating palettes and also managing palettes inside of Gimp. I'll have links to those in the description. Do check those out. We're going to be starting off with a blank document. We've got a white background, and I've chosen the couple of colors that I'm going to be working with. We create a new blank layer, fully transparent, and create our sample in the top left hand corner. Just drag one of the colors into the sample. Select none and go to filters, map, recursive transform. What we'll now do is just to move this baby to the right until we get a nice array showing, and then we're going to play with the colors. We're going to choose the background color, and we can now play around with the alpha. So I'm just going to twiddle the alpha until we get a range of colors that I like. We're going to hit OK and hit OK. Now, some of you more anally retentive types may be complaining that this color here doesn't match with that color there. Cool down, cool down. We're going to be not going for 100% precision, so just go with the flow. I'm going to re-show the filter, and this time we are going to move the filter down. So I'm going to take it down so we create our full array. And before I hit enter, you'll notice now that we've got the full range of colors from the foreground to the background. There's a little bit of repetition going on here along some of the lines. So this is not the effect I'm going for. In fact, what I'm going to do is to open up the color picker again, and we'll go to white. And what you'll see is that we now get the tints, and if we choose black, we now get the shades. So this is how you can create a color array using this really cool filter or tool inside of Gimp. And there we are. So hopefully that's been of some use to you. If you like that, please check out the other videos that I did in the description. Hit the like button and subscribe for more videos, and I will see you later.